Hi, my name is Aruna. I'm going to present module 9 and 10 demo. Today, let's get started. So first I'll explain the admin component that I have implemented as part of module 10 requirements. So I'll just log in. So basically, we can log in as an admin user or non-admin user. So I'm explaining this module with admin user. Okay. So let's log in as an admin user. So if you log in as an admin user, you can see the admin component. Increase the size. Okay. So in admin page, so there are two cards. Okay, and they are navigating to both user manager and content manager. In user manager section, it includes fields for first name. There is a search component that I have implemented for first name and last name and email. So you can search it with any of these parameters. So let's say first name. See, auto filter is enabled in this field. So this input box, it takes the initial letters and applies the auto filter. So it is filtering the result based on the first name search. And if you don't want anything on the screen, you can do clear all. Okay, and here, and I have applied sorting also. See, and last name sorting, it can happen, and email also. And there are, like, a few columns like role and status, whether it's active user or inactive. And there is a important component that we have implemented here. You can edit user. See here, for example, admin, and you have to, this is a repeat password validation that we have implemented. So I have to give the password. It will ask again. Admin, save changes. Okay, it's asking a new password. Okay, I will give a new password. It will ask, a modal window will ask, is that for confirmation update. So like, is the user really willing to update the user? Then you can choose yes, you can update the user. If you don't want, you can return back to the user manager also. I will show both. Update user manager. Yes, it is updated admin 1, you can see here. Okay, and have updated the password as well. And if you want, you can delete any user, and that function is also enabled. You can type delete. So I want to show pagination, so I'm not deleting any agent for now. So the pagination we have implemented is 10 per page. That is the requirement. And if you want, you can go to the second page and third page, like that. So the entries are displayed on each page, and each page will filter like 10 entries per page. So this is pretty much about the user manager, and let's go to the content manager. So content manager will have all the posts that each user has made. So it will have like a search box for post, and using the start date also you can search, end date, or you can search using the range between a start date and a fixed end date. So the posts that are created in that date range will be filtered and displayed on the UI. For example, I will select October 28th, this one 5. See, it is filtering all the posts. You can go to the next page. So this is how the search criteria is applied in the content manager. And in the content manager section, So this is the main search criteria that was asked in as a part of business document. And select all button and the search functionality properly searches all the posts, and it includes the pagination and a drop down menu for the number of results per page. And there is a concept that I have implemented newly for this module 10, that is skeleton screens. So basically skeleton screens, they are indicating when an update is like being processed. I'll show you. See, for example, I want to go to user manager. I will click on user manager. You are seeing, right? See, this is the skeleton loader. Skeleton screens, they indicate that an update is being processed until that user manager screen is displayed. So it lets the user know, okay, the process is going on to load that screen. So that is called as a skeleton loader. And so basically even you can see that for content manager also. See, this is the skeleton loader implemented, and a navigation bar is replaced with an horizontal navigation bar when width is below a certain, like, responsive design is also implemented. For example, the app we are seeing is on the desktop, whereas if you see this app in the, like, for example, if you access this app in a mobile phone, this is how it looks like. Okay, see, the sort by, they all like will be reduced in size as per the mobile screen size. See, for example, this is a tablet, let's say tablet. See, all these elements are aligned in a different way, so that these entire screen fits in the mobile screen size. Okay, this is called as responsive design. Reactive design is that skeleton screens we are implementing, and we are seeing that skeleton screens, and in the meantime data is being fetched from the back end. So that is called as reactive design, and this is responsive design. And I have written a document for the descriptive notes about that. And so let's close this. And as part of module 9, we have implemented the network component of different user cards and blogs. So different posts, and you can like this post, you can comment on this post. I have done this, and save, or else you can create a that is a comment, or else you can do a new post. See, there is a toast notification about post created successfully. And if you want to see, these are the posts. Save. And if you want to edit the comment, and if you want to delete the comment also, you can delete the comment. You can create a comment. So there are different functionalities. And home is like a main home page that will have list of posts by users, and different likes and comments here are also implemented. And like, okay, and this is pretty much about the module 9 components. And coming to the code perspective, So these are the different components I have implemented for the admin content manager main page. And these code, the front end implementation uses the fetch request, and it will fetch the data from the backend. I will show you that. See, for example, admin page, so it's fetching different users. See, and these are the reactive bootstrap I applied for like formatting. And if you go to admin user manager, so this is the code for the admin user manager. Here we will import the skeleton loader, and we will import the different react um, concepts here. And this is the localhost 5050 is the base URL. And I want to show you the fetch request here that I have created. So this is the fetch request. So we are creating, like, we are fetching the user by ID. Okay. And different API calls. This fetching the users from API. So endpoints, users endpoint is being called here. Let's go to content manager. So it will use the posts endpoint, all posts from the API. I want to show you exactly the fetch request. Pagination logic and the event handlers. See, fetch. This is the delete post endpoint. So you will delete a post by its ID. And error handling endpoints. So this is, we are bringing the, like, fetching the post by ID. And if you want to update a post also, we will update using the post ID. So these are the different fetch requests I have created. Admin user manager is done. So remaining all components, login, main page, and network, I have explained all these fetch requests in module 9 demo. And I want to show real quick how the data is being saved in the backend. So this is how it is saved. In the comments are saved in comments, posts are in the posts, session information here, users are here. And this is the postman collection I have created for testing endpoints. Okay, we have to run everything. So everything has been tested in the postman. So this is pretty much about module 9 and 10 demo. It was a wonderful experience. Thank you.